Hey guys, so I know that the lighting is kind of ass right now, but I'm gonna be filming a Wednesday Noose braid tutorial. I had filmed one previously on my channel. I wouldn't recommend watching it, to be honest, because one, the lighting I used was shit. This lighting is also shit as well, but I'm gonna try to make it a little better, maybe explain a little bit better what I'm doing. And I think I have a better technique down this time around. I think, if I remember it correctly. I practiced it a while back. Hopefully I remember. But yeah, the original video, I didn't really show the hair too well. Also didn't help the fact that I was in front of a black background, and then I used a homemade ring light, which sucked ass. So we're here again today. Hopefully this will be better and do better. I'm also wearing a Make a Lovin' shirt, because why not? I found it at the bins and I loved it, so that was hilarious. Wednesday doesn't wear noose braids in the TV show, but she does wear noose braids in the animated movie series. And I thought they were really cute. I love them. I kind of already straightened my hair a little bit. I didn't really straighten it like too much, but just that way it's less, I guess that way it's like less frizzy. So yeah, so I think you just basically want to start off with some, you know, clean, untangled hair. Maybe straighten it out a little bit, especially the top of it. The top of my hair gets a little wavy especially like when I sleep. Okay, so my camera died and I decided just to practice on one side and it came out pretty good. Let me see if y'all can see it. There you go. It's cute. So now I know exactly what to do on this side. So I'm brushing out my hair. I have really long hair, you guys. Like, oh my goodness. If you have shorter hair, this might look different to you. The braids will probably come out shorter, not as long as mine, obviously. But, so basically what I do is I gather all the hair and bring it to the back. And then I tie an elastic band back there, make it kind of into like a ponytail. And I leave the hair covering the ears because that's how hers is styled. Kind of loosen it up a little bit, like so. Maybe I should have worn a white t-shirt. I don't think I own any white shirts now that I think about it. Oh well. I'm just going to be doing a basic 3-strand braid. I'm going to be separating the hair to 3 sections and try to keep them as equal as possible. The same thickness, and yeah, they feel about the same. We're just kind of going off of like feeling right here, and then of course we're just gonna braid it. And I'm kind of towards a point where I can't really braid anymore because one of the strands got a little bit shorter. So I'm gonna be securing it with some Got2b glue gel. It's a styling spiking glue. And I'm kind of like rub it on my fingers. I would use an elastic for this part, but I'm probably gonna be using one later when I secure the noose itself, and I figured the gel would help it hold a little bit better. Just putting the gel like on the ends of my hair like so. Kind of twist it a little bit as well. I think the gel helps hold the braid in place as well. Okay, so now we have this, and I'm basically gonna bring the braid up to form like a loop, and I'm gonna try to get them even. Seems like the other one's sitting a little bit lower than this one. I kind of wish I brought this one up higher. I guess for y'all's sake to see, I'm just gonna bring this one up higher. And basically, I am just wrapping the hair around the braid itself. Kind of hard because my fingers are all sticky. Maybe I should wash my hands, but also I don't want to like let go of the braid. Sorry if my hands are getting in the way. And then I'm applying some more glue to kind of secure the noose. Well, not glue, gel. I probably shouldn't be calling it glue. I don't want someone to use freaking Gorilla Glue in their hair. And I'm kind of just smoothing the glue over the hair I had wrapped around the braid. And this might not hold it in place by itself, so I'm gonna be adding an elastic to it in a bit, just to keep it secure. I feel like I did this one better than the first one I did on this side. Maybe I should have been closer to you guys. But yeah, I feel like it's coming out better than the first one I did. So I'm gonna take an elastic to secure it. It doesn't seem like it's gonna want to hold up on its own with just the gel. It might slide off over time. I got like one of these like little elastic rubber bands for the hair, and I'm just gonna slide it in here Yeah, so I kind of just fucked this up right now. So I'm gonna show you again how I did the noose. So basically we just loop it around the braid itself, like so. I think in the first video I used a bobby pin to secure it to the braid, and the bobby pin just sticks out. You're gonna see it. I don't really recommend that too much. Kind of helped hold the braid together though, but it just looked messy. So now we're taking the elastic and then tying it around the hair that we just wrapped around the noose or the braid. This is how I do it. So wrap it around one more time. And the ends of the noose might get a little messy, but that's fine, I guess. Cause I mean, Wednesday wears all black, so you're not really gonna be able to see it too well. I'm gonna tie an elastic around it for safe measure. I'm probably gonna tie this one a little bit more towards the bottom of the hair I put onto the noose. And that's pretty much it for the hair. Of course, I have some clip-on bangs. I got these from Shein. It's funny because I actually specifically got these for recreating Wednesday's look, and I meant to do it back in December. Just never got around to doing it. But right now, squeaky time is the most perfect time to do it. And kind of style the bangs a little bit. Her bangs are more swept off to the sides. So yeah, that's it. Easy peasy Wednesday Noose braids. Hopefully this came out better than the first video I filmed a few years back. And I feel like this method is easier with the gel and elastics rather than using a bigger hair tie and bobby pins. Came out better looking too. But I mean, it does get a little hard to do, to like mess up the hair when your hands are sticky. So I would recommend rinsing your fingers between styling. It definitely helps like kind of like putting the gel into like the braid itself, like wrapping, once you have it wrapped around, kind of helps keep it in place. But of course the elastics are gonna keep it in place much longer because eventually it's gonna fall if you're wearing it out. Yes, they came out super cute. And there's McLovin. Oh my goodness. So yeah, so that's it for this hairstyling video. I would not recommend checking out the original Wednesday Noose hair tutorial that I did. That one sucks. That's it for this video. Make sure you check out my Wednesday makeup tutorial. I do recreate Jenna Ortega's Wednesday look. And of course I'll have the whole finished look in that video. I'll be all dressed up and everything for that one, so yeah. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Hope you guys have a safe, wonderful, and spooky day. Bye guys!